My grandmother's feet are killing her. I wish there was something I could do to help the pain.
Do you have her on any medication?
Yes, I do, but she still suffers from a great deal of pain.
Have you thought about buying an Anodin machine for her?
What is that?
Simple, it is an infrared laser treatment for the feet. By warming the feet, it encourages blood flow to the lower extremity and making the neuropathy pain less.
So it will cure her neuropathy?
No, it will not do that, but it can make the pain less. For only 20 minutes a day, she sticks the feet into the machine. No pills, no exercises, just sitting with feet in the machine.
There is no way I will be able to afford an Anodin machine.
Why, they only cost $130. Just click on the link below.
What could go wrong? What are the side effects?
There are no side effects. The worst thing that could happen is the machine does not work. In that case, you are out $130, but nothing negative will happen.
Thank you, I will give that a try.